Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look over how to prepare for tax seasons using Wave. Wave simplifies tax preparations if you maintain clean records throughout the year. So, preparation checklist that you can use. First, reconcile transactions. So go to transactions and ensure everything is categorized correctly. Your income, your expenses, the fees, etc. Make sure every transaction has proper categorization. Second, generate key reports. Your profit and loss reports, sales tax reports, balance sheets, and general ledgers. You want to make sure you generate those. Next, review deductible expenses. Filter and check all tax deductible categories. Next up, export data for your accountant. Just go to settings, data export, and you can download all financial data in a zip format, including reports, CSVs, and receipts if of course you uploaded any. 5. Consult a tax professional. Share your exported data with your CPA or tax preparer. Wave also allows accountants access on the settings users for direct collaboration. Pro tip: start preparations before year end, to reduce surprises and to adjust your budget for pending tax liabilities. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.